So, in this video, let us learn about teleshopping. So, before going further, let us know what is teleshopping. So, the consumers, instead of going to traders, can place order for the goods which are advertised over television and other social media. Okay, through internet, SMS or telephone, consumer can place the order for the goods selected, and here payment can be made after receiving the goods at the door. This transaction is called teleshopping. So you can make your payment as giving their COD, which means cash on delivery. So there are many options for the payment. You can make online payment, debit card payment or cash on delivery. So let us learn more about who is consumer. So consumer is a person who buys goods or services for a consideration called price or wages. The goods purchased may be for self-consumption or meant for resale or for other commercial purpose. So here, every consumer has certain wants. He buys goods to satisfy his wants. It is the duty of every producer to satisfy the needs of the consumers. But unfortunately, many a times the consumers are neglected and exploited and cheated. So here, many times consumers are being cheated by suppliers. So what is Consumer Protection Act and what are the various steps taken for Consumer Protection Act? We will learn this in next video.